Hello, wonderful viewers. Today we visited the kitchen accessories factory. We got to see a whole lot of products, the electric cookers, electric pot, pressure pot. And here you'd actually get to see you can use this to cook and at the same time do your hot dog, from the name of shawarma, grill your meat too. It's a high selling product too. So we got to see other products in the factory. Different make, different. This one is the pressure pot. This one is the cooker, double cookers. All affordable, nice. This is where they do assemble it. Wow. It's lovely knowing all these things are actually manufactured. So we took a tour around the factory. So we went to the molding part. China has everything you're looking for. This is how the pots are actually made, how it's being formed, how it's being shaped too. If you actually get to spend a whole lot of time here, you see how everything is being done. Segment by segment. Like, once this side is done, they push it down to the next one. Once this side is... I went with my sister, my travel buddy as well. So once this side is done, they push it down to the other side. So this is their pot, their non-sticky pot. It's cheap and affordable. The non-sticky pot, it's cheap, it's affordable. It's good too. And it's strong, it's durable, it's something of quality. So something I would recommend to people anytime, anyway. So this is how the pots are formed. Part by part, to take shape here, do this, reshape it, pass to the next one. Yeah. Everything is kind of computerized here too. So this is the frying pan section, non-sticky pans. So if you need any of these, it can be shipped directly to you to Nigeria. It can be shipped directly to you in Nigeria. It's anything kitchen utensil. You can actually just contact us. Would send across to you. We'll send across to you. I actually love my stay here. I think our visit here has ended. So the CEO took us around with our agent. Everything. My travel buddy too. Normal. She actually goes with me anywhere I'm going to. So thank you, Ray.